All right, we're live in the greenhouse. A lot has happened in the last 36 hours. Hours of powers. Al and I and another third individual was able to completely seal and waterproof all of the wood. It looks fantastic. And now we are finishing the bed preparations. And you can see here Alan's beating on the bark. What we're just trying to do is get this compost down into some of these voids before we put the soil in. And the compost is going to start to activate all this forest product. It's about, I don't know, how deep is that stuff? A foot?
Yeah.
About a foot deep with this bark. Bark, mulch, wood, and other stuff. We still have leaves to add, which we're going to put on top of this before we do the topsoil. But first, we're going to get this primed with some compost. And we're using local soils. And this gets made every year in the San Luis Valley by Rocky Mountain Soils. You can get it all over Colorado. You can find it in the front of the supermarkets. It's about $3 a bag. It's so economical. It's processed from sterilized mushroom compost, so there's no weed seed or anything in there. It's a great way to start if you have the money. And it's going to be quite a few bags to fill this. How many bags of compost did we just put in?
We just put in 12.
So 12 bags barely fills the holes and even gets us level to the bark here. And we're coming up with topsoil to about 8 inches below the metal here. So we're going to need, oh, there you go. Yeah, so we're going to need a lot of bags of soil. That's for sure. That's just the start. So we're coming along. So we'll be planting seeds here in a few days as we finish the hugelkultur raised bed system in the first side of our greenhouse here. Anything else I could show them? Oh yeah, take a look at this. I put our first doorknob on. Wow. One thing I want to tell you guys about what's happening with the wood industry and building products is people are being prevented from building homes. This door, this solid wood door, was $110 6 months ago, is now $250. And that is crazy. Nice work, Alan.